here with Tasha Tidwell, and she is a client of ours at My Pink Lawyer, and she was kind enough to come in and share with us a little bit about her experience with our law firm in getting her estate planning affairs in order.
That's right.
All right. So tell me, Tasha, what prompted you and your husband to come in and do your family succession planning?
I had been wanting to take care of it since my son was born, which is 8 years ago. But because it's such a hard topic, it was just something that was easy to put off. And I just was tired of losing sleep over it. And also one of my best friends lost her dad suddenly. And it really motivated me to get my act in order.
So did you have to twist your husband's arm to get in here?
No, he wanted to too, but it's just such a... We were very lucky. We had a lot of good options family-wise, because we have little kids to worry about who would raise our children in the event, that we weren't able to. And we weren't putting it off because of that. We were just, I don't know, we didn't want to think about that ever happening. So It was just easy to put it off.
It's not a fun topic to think about.
No, it's not.
So I know you have lots of options when it comes to choosing who you want to work with to get your plan in order. So what made you decide to choose My Pink Lawyer?
We did a lot of online research, and we decided to make an appointment to come and talk to you and meet you. And as soon as we met you and talked to you, I immediately was like, we don't have to look any further. I'm sure you probably remember. I was like, awesome. We engaged you on the spot, and our whole entire process was done within like a few weeks.
Yes.
It's very, very fast.
I like to think we have
very
a
effective
good system.
Yes.
As long as clients review what we're starting to put together on a timely basis, which you are great. You were great doing that, so we were able to move things along quickly.
Yes.
That's wonderful. So tell us a little bit about, for those that might be watching and don't know anything about our firm, what was the experience like getting your plan together with the office?
It was wonderful. The entire process was very organized. It was very professional. You and the office both, everybody made us, just feel very comfortable. And there were some decisions that we weren't really sure what we wanted to do or how to do them. And, you really were very thorough, covered every basis. And I like how you presented us with lots of options and helped guide us. There were a few things I know that we were like, well, what would you do? And you were like, well, this is what I did, and so it really helped us.
Yeah, and then part of my job is to play devil's advocate. Well, have you thought about
Yes,
this?
she does do that a lot.
It makes it lots of fun, right?
Yes.
Especially when you're putting a couple on the spot.
It didn't make us uncomfortable, and that was part of what made it so great and why we just did it so quickly, because you just made it very comfortable. And we were all on the same page, and you just really helped,
Well, we've been doing this a long time. I personally now have been doing this for over 20 years, so I have a lot of experience in seeing what can go wrong.
Right.
And then plans done right. So that's what we try to prevent for you guys.
Yes.
So tell us again, for those that haven't ever been to our office, what the actual physical office is like.
The office is great. It's very comfortable, very cute, up to date. There was one meeting that we had to come and sign a few documents that I had to bring my son and two of his friends from elementary school with, and they were more than happy to sit on the couch, relax, have a refreshment, watch some cartoons.
Right.
And in fact, it didn't take us very long, and when we were ready to leave, they're like, already? They didn't want to leave. So it's and we enjoyed it. It's just not that we've ever had to sit in the waiting room very long, but it's very comfortable, and you feel right at home.
Good. When we were moving into this office and designing it and decorating it, I did not want it to feel like a stuffy, boring law office.
That's one of the things that I, was thinking before, is that it's very calming. It's kind of like it's a stressful situation. Really, most any attorney that you're dealing with is normally not like something that anyone wants to do. It's for either. This is something planning for the future. It's a good thing, but it's still not something I really was dying to do.
Right.
So it's kind of intimidating, stressful. A lot of times going into an attorney's office to handle any kind of legal business like that.
Right.
So we felt very comfortable, and I have not been stressed at all through any of the process, and that's part of what made it so quick and us to respond fast, and it was just everything just felt very comfortable.
Well, that's what we strive for here. And you already said you thought the process was pretty easy and streamlined. And is there anything, final question, that you would just like to share with anyone out there about why they should get their planning in order now?
Literally, I would lose sleep at night worrying like what could happen to my children. And when we met with Kristen, I got very emotional, and you were very like put me at ease. And I mean, I felt more like I was talking to a friend. Like I didn't feel like I was sitting there talking to an attorney. And it's just do it now, because I beat myself up that I haven't done it, that I had not done. I feel like guilty that my son is 8 years old and it took me this long, like, because I'm not that kind of person when it comes to very important things, especially when it comes to my children. But don't put it off, do it, and you will sleep better, and your mind should be at ease knowing that you're in wonderful hands with Kristen and her entire crew.
Thank you, Tasha. I appreciate
Thank you.
it. Bye.
Bye.